Well, there's a breaking update coming in as far as the Mahakumbh Stampede is concerned, and the action that has now been initiated on part of the UP government. Three-member judicial commission that has been set up by the state government will be investigating the stampede and are expected to visit Prayagraj today. A day after, as they began with their work, they will now be visiting the site in Prayagraj where the stampede happened, and the panel is expected to focus on understanding the cause of the stampede. Let's get in a word from Akansha, who's joining us live right now, because Akansha, it is really unfortunate, the kind of people, there were 30 of them who unfortunately lost their lives in this stampede during Mahakumbh Mauni Amavasya Snan. Now there has been the announcement that came in from the state chief minister himself that would be getting to the root of the cause as far as how the stampede occurred. Of course, this panel, this judicial commission that has been formed for further inquiry.
Well, absolutely, Amita. The Judicial Commission investigating the Mahakumbh Stampede has officially started the work. Remember, yesterday they in fact held a meeting at their office in Lucknow, and today the team is in Prayagraj. They will be visiting the spot. They will be meeting with the police officers, speaking to the injured, and they will go to the spot to assess the situation. And the focus of this commission will be to find out what really led to this situation, what were the lapses, and most importantly, the preventive measures that could be taken so that such disasters and such tragic incidents do not take place again. So this judicial commission, which is being headed by the former Allahabad High Court judge, it also includes former IAS officer and former DGP of Uttar Pradesh. They all will be visiting the spot. They will speak to the police officials. They will also speak to those injured and those who are admitted in the hospital. They will speak with the families to assess the situation on the ground.
All right. Thank you, Akansha, for that. As far as this judicial commission, a three-member judicial panel that has been set up by the state government to probe the Mahakumbh Stampede are expected to visit Prayagraj today. With that, we head into a very short break. That's a wrap on this edition of the Morning News Hour.